Hi folks, this is Rajesh Durbala, your instructor for today, and today we are going to discuss this topic, segmentation and its needs. So one of the most important marketing strategies is segmenting your market. Which is that particular segment which you are aspiring to target? That's what the entire concept of segmentation is. And why do businesses need to segment the market? Right? So this is the basic agenda. So what are we going to learn today? We are simply going to cover the segmentation. We will explain what segmentation is and the needs for segmentation. Okay, what is the need? What is the purpose of segmentation? So we define segmentation. Okay, I'm just giving you a very simple definition. That is, market segmentation is the process of dividing a heterogeneous market. Heterogeneous in the sense your market consists of various diverse elements which are unique in their own, but they coexist. So what do? We try to divide that market, that heterogeneous market, into homogeneous subunits. That is to say, from this visual, probably you can understand, I see this is a heterogeneous market. So in this, you see a lot of individuals which are different from each other, but there is some commonness among a few. So what do? I create the subgroups from this heterogeneous market, and these subgroups are homogeneous within themselves. Right? So try to understand the segmentation. I take up the whole market, which consists of heterogeneous elements. Now, those elements which are heterogeneous are grouped together based on some commonality within them. Okay, so that is what the process of segmentation is. Now, why do we need it? Now, in the words of Michael Porter, he made a statement, and this, I believe, summarizes most of the things. The competitive advantage of the firm lies in being everything to a select few. A few members of the market, a few customers must consider you, your product, your service to be everything for them. But if the firm tries to be everything to everyone, is a sure recipe for a strategic failure. Right? So if I make Mercedes should be everything for a select few. Mercedes should not be trying to aspire to reach out to everyone, even if the person is not able to afford an Alto. Right? So Mercedes has to only target those segment, and those people should consider Mercedes to be everything for them. The same way, if the Maruti, if it tries to target those customers, okay, it has to just target those price conscious, economy conscious, value driven customers in the market. Because of that commonality, it has to target them with that product. So the basic need for segmentation is it helps me create or deliver value to the customers. If I try to deliver value to everyone, possibly I can't do that. So I have to identify those select few and try to deliver value to only those few. That is the need for segmentation, because I cannot satisfy everyone in the market with my product. And if I attempt to do that, there will be a larger segment, there will be a larger proportion of the market which would be left dissatisfied, because my product may not be able to satisfy their needs. I just have to target only those few. Okay, and those people, when they use my product, because they are my ideal customers, and they should be delighted to be using my product, and they feel amazed and they spread a good word of mouth about my product. But the same way, if I target some wrong people in the market, at that point of a time, I may not be in a position to satisfy them. So it's very important, choose the right people from the market, and you have to give your product and deliver the maximum value to the customers, and that will give them the maximum satisfaction and delight. That's the basic need for segmentation. Hope you like this video. If you have liked it, do like, share, and subscribe. Spread the good word. Have a nice day. Bye bye.